Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping what you already do well and why employers care. Make a short inventory of transferable skills and match them to 3 industries that regularly hire non-coders. Next, craft a one-page value pitch that explains outcomes you deliver, then build a tailored resume for each target role. Once done, pick 2 companies and identify the hiring manager or recruiter. This first push sets momentum. Act now so hiring conversations replace idle searching. Once you have roles and a pitch, convert your experience into tangible proof. Create 2 short case summaries or portfolio items that show measurable results. Employers trust outcomes. Then, reach out to 10 people, alumni, recruiters, hiring managers, with a concise ask, 15 minutes for feedback or an intro. Make sure to follow up and send your value pitch. Simultaneously, complete one focused micro course or credential that aligns with the job to remove doubt about your fit. Now you shift into execution. Submit 5 tailored applications per week and personalize each message to the hiring manager. Prepare 5 concise star stories that demonstrate impact, situation, task, action, result, and rehearse them aloud. During interviews, lead with outcomes and ask clarifying questions about priorities. If you don't progress, request feedback within 48 hours and iterate on your resume, pitch, or portfolio. One key troubleshooting tip: when facing silence, add a new credential or volunteer project to refresh momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.